Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if your ACER Predator 17 freezes. If it has freezed, first you need to identify whether the freeze occurs only in one app or across the whole system. If it occurs in the one app, then you probably, if you click on Ctrl, Alt and Delete key on your keyboard, you should see this screen. That means that not the whole system is frozen. Click on Task Manager and then find the app that has freeze. So if it's like Microsoft Edge, for example, then all you should do is simply close that app through the Task Manager. So let's say Microsoft Edge is freeze, right click on it and task, and then try reopening it. Although if it didn't help, try scrolling down until you can see Windows Explorer, right click on it, and either click on restart, or what I prefer, if you have that option, is end task. And now you can see that everything looks like this. If you minimize it, then it minimizes weirdly. But if you simply click on File, Run New Task, and type in explorer.exe, click on OK, it'll run again and see if it works. If it didn't help or the whole system is freezed, then try forcefully shutting it down by pressing and holding on the power button until all the lights go off on your laptop. Then release it, wait for half a minute and try turning it on. If this didn't help, if the laptop didn't turn off, then you need to unplug it from the charger and wait until it discharges itself. But this is a very rare case. In like 99% cases, that pressing and holding on the power button will work. But if it doesn't, this is what you should do. Just unplug it from the charger and wait until it discharges fully, because it'll have no more power to run. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.